Hey, so good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's session. Today we will have the game design course. So today we have students from GDNM and we have students from CS. Today I'm unfortunately alone. So how are you guys? Have you guys eaten yet? Are you guys still sleepy? So let's get ready for today. Before we start, we have some ground rules that we have to set up throughout the whole meeting. So first, please turn on your camera and use your favorite colored Venetian virtual background. And secondly, to avoid any inconvenience, please kindly mute your microphone. And if you have any question, there will be a Q&A session later. So please leave them at the chat box down below. And lastly, if you haven't renamed yourself, please do so with this format: name underscore major and underscore class code. So without further ado, I guess I'll give it to the speakers, Mr. Raymond Bahana and Mr. Bayu. You can take the stage.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, we talk a little bit. This just theoretical actually. Just talking about digital game as history. So, how many of you like to play games? Are you sure you don't like it? Or, of course, right? So, yeah, in the Zoom also, yeah, you like to play games. So, actually, in the past, when students want to join computer science, we do some interview in the past. Not right now, it's not many, only several students. Most of the students tell they want to join computer science because they like game. Well, it's not that uh, wrong, but yeah, if you main thing about game only about computer science, yeah, maybe it's not really correct. Yeah. So because when you create game, you can be not only from computer science, graphic design, BIS, even from other program. You have idea because the most important is idea, and you can create that idea with somebody else. Alumni, family, they create a game about what is the name by scholastic, I don't know,
Stochastic.
stochastic, what finance, because somebody from finance company wants to create that kind of game. Okay, so game can be created by anybody actually, yeah, not only for computer science. Create a game again is not only digital game, but here I talk about more about digital game, but can be board game. Anybody know what kind of board game that you ever play? Do you play what any kind of board game? I'm sorry. Okay, so sorry.
Yeah,
Maybe
Snake
you
and
can need to use
Raider.
this, yeah. So the Zoom can also listen your voice, but this only for you. Don't share it with somebody else.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, uh, I usually on Saturday I visited the Sini Duduk store.
Good.
It basically local community and let's say store to selling any kind of board games. Mostly I think the board game can be split into three kind, I think.
Okay.
The first one are board game, the conventional one like Monopoly, Rice, Snakes and Ladder, and etc.
Yes, common board game in Indonesia.
Yeah, and then we had TCG, trading card game like Pokemon, Magic the Gathering, and other. And mostly this is what one my favorite is a war game. War game is basically a war simulation but on the tabletop. The first war game is invented by Prussian military, which is German, old German, and then the infamous writer H.G. Wells who create the
Yeah.
War of the Worlds novel. He plays the one of the early war game. It calls the Little Man Little Man War.
Okay.
He created the rule book,
So
And for
so-
the
okay, sorry, so, Rehan, right?
Yeah.
So, what is your favorite board game then?
I usually enjoy the tabletop wargaming one.
A particular game, that board game?
A particular game is mostly I do play Warhammer 40,000,
Okay,
and I play the Prelude. I play the Horse Heresy. It's basically a spin-off of
Hmm.
40K2. And I think I want to try with my let's say historical war game like the Battle of Waterloo on American Revolution or
Okay.
maybe World War II or maybe hypothetical scenario on World War III like on Cold War or Middle East warfare, I think.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So yeah, you already professional, I guess. Okay. Yeah. Please turn it off first. So yeah,
Okay.
I will start then. Because not much time. Yeah. So yeah, you already know lah. Digital game is new and not new phenomenon. Yeah. So I think also your parents like to play game. I don't know. Your father maybe more than your mother. Yeah. Usually. Although based on the survey, actually equal male and female. Maybe Indonesia female is not many, but in the world actually equal. The male and female that play game. Although female usually play like a more simple game, like a more simple game other than male counterpart. Okay lah, just skip. I can share this later on in PDF if you want. So if you look at the global market this year, 175 billion games. Yeah. How much for Indonesia? It's not many. Yeah. So can you tell Indonesian game company? Mostly you don't know. Okay. Although we have several. Okay. Wait, Rehan. Okay. If you have any question, raise your hand first. Yeah. So, and I tell your name and then you say it. Okay. Yeah. Same like in the Zoom. Yeah. So it's not only on site. Yeah. In the Zoom, raise your hand if you want to ask some question. So please take a look. Yeah. Because I only can see one screen. I cannot
That's
move
okay,
the
man.
screen. Not can, but I need also to
Sure.
change the slide. Okay, Rehan, what company that you know?
I think.
Just close.
Oh, sorry. Speaking about the game, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I think I know what is called the video game developer in Indonesia.
No, I mean the game company that create game in Indonesia. So it's not only some company just take games from overseas and they change the languages, right?
Or
Like
yeah,
Ultimate
mostly,
or something
yeah,
like that.
mostly.
Okay.
For what I heard is the once viral Tahu Bulat game. You may
Yeah,
heard
Tahu
that.
Bulat is from Indonesia.
Let me check the.
Okay.
I actually not too familiar to
Okay,
Indonesian
it's okay,
game.
it's okay. So I need to continue a bit faster, yeah. Yeah, so it's not many, yeah. So although Indonesia many people that play game, 90% has a mobile phone. Okay, but they said 90% because some people have more than one phone. Yeah, compared to population Indonesia. Also, the internet is already reached like 70% in Indonesia. So people in Indonesia like to play game. But the problem, maybe they like to play free game, right? So yeah, but in the futures, I guess if the price is not that much, yeah, people will also wants to join or to join the game. Like Tahu Bulat become popular because the idea is very unique. How they play, what you call it, the sprite, the object inside that game also very unique. Okay, so it's very big in the world. So if you create game company and your game become very popular, yeah, you can get some of that money. So if you compare with last year, yeah, it's already different. See, hey, where's the mouse? Oops, not good. Oh, I cannot see.
Technical problem.
Yeah,
There you go.
yeah, this at 175, this 159. So 1 year is already going up. Why? Yeah, maybe some of it because of pandemic. So people stay home, they play game. Okay, so this effect. Yeah. Okay. If you look at the internet or some book, this they refer this Naimatron as a one of the original game, digital game. Although if you look, the computer is like that big one. The game name is Nim. Yeah. Do you know how to play this game? So this only for 2 players. So the players need to take several match over here. But if only left 1 match, the player is lose. The last player is lose. So you need to take, you can take 1 or you can take all, but only in the same row. So you can take 3. So left 2 then. Yeah, 2 players. So back and forward to take these matches. So if left 1, the last person lost. So this one, he create the game so people will play with the computers. So 90% computer won this game. Okay, so it's very simple actually. Okay, this using CRT. I don't think so. You still have CRT television at home, right? Do you still have it? Your grandparents maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Itu YouTube. So the game basically just press something this and just shoot something in in CRT, not monitor CRT. Okay. So it's not much kind of game, but yeah, we like it. Yeah, in the 50, they create a chess machine like that. If you know Alan Turing, do you know Alan Turing? Okay. It's okay. Yeah, I think Alan Turing is pretty famous. They have a movie about Alan Turing, right? Benedict Cumberbatch played that guy. Yeah, correct. So yeah, this on the right there, Alan Turing that also create this chess program with Claude Shannon. Yeah, later on, Claude Shannon, if you learn, Claude Shannon on the right. If you learn I don't know, you still have multimedia? I forgot. In multimedia, when you learn lossless algorithm, one of the creator of a particular algorithm is Claude Shannon. It's called Shannon-Fano algorithm. So yeah, he's like a researcher. So this basically just for research. Yeah, they create this just for research. They don't sell it. Okay. This OXO, but we know this as tic-tac-toe. Look at the computer. You need that the whole room to play just like that, tic-tac-toe. Yeah. So in the past is very complicated to create a simple game. Okay. So this and Alexander Shevto, Douglas that created that guy. Now using like a Visual Basic, maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, it's not that complicated. Or Visual Basic even, just drag and drop and just put several program on the back. Or Constructo, many applications that you don't really need to have a programming skill to create games. Yeah. So like Game Maker, Constructo, yeah. So Blackjack, To be honest, I don't know how they play this one because yeah, maybe in the screen there. But again, the computer is still big. Yeah, so they don't have chips in the time. IC to create more simple, compact computers. So yeah. Again, this one Blackjack in 1954. Okay. They already sell several computer, but mostly for company, of course, because it's so big. Yeah, it's difficult for or ordinary people to have it there, and very expensive. Yeah. But in the time it's already 19,000 sold there, that computer. Yeah, this would spill military. I think the first military war gaming. Yeah. And then the unique part is the created by U.S. military. Okay. I don't know. They have so much money maybe to spend to create this kind of game. Yeah. Okay. So still very big, and using CRT. Yeah, for the monitors. Okay. Checkers. Okay. Yeah, you cannot really see the monitor, but the moving, yeah, you need to move on the board game. So you play and you tell the computer this your move, and the computer will compile and tell them how they move. So you need to move in board game. Okay. So 6 years later, the program already defeat the checker masters. Okay, because yeah, computer can combine many kind of possibilities, so they can pick which the best possibility, because they will think not only for the next step, but maybe 10 or 20 step ahead, right? It's like chess now. Oops, it doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, this chess program again, 1957. If you look, yeah, you need still a board game to do it. Yeah. So the computer basically just compile and show the notation. Yeah, it's not really show the digital form because it's not digital yet. Everything is text based. Okay. Yeah. So that's a light. Yeah. Again, CRT using oscillator. So it's like shoot the electricity to that CRT. Okay. So this one they call it Tennis Pro, but 2D, right? This the net. This the players. Yeah. If you look, rotate, yeah. It's not really joystick. Okay. Yeah, this just for research. Yeah, in MIT was in the maze. Yeah, so maze game that oh, it's not working. Yeah. The image. What happened? Yeah, no image. Yesterday is okay. Oh, it's too dark. If you look closely, you will see the dot here. Again, using a green monitor, CRT. Yeah, so the purpose of this game to use a light pen to place maze walls. Yeah. There. Or maybe in the Zoom you can see better, by.
Yeah,
something like that
I can trace all the lines for you,
No need lah. It's too long.
but I enjoy this one. Hold on.
It's annoying.
One last line. Right, that's it. That's cool.
Okay, so yeah, virtual mouse represented by a dot, then release and will traverse the maze to find the object. Okay. Where's the mouse now? If the student in waiting room, the mouse is gone. It's not good. Okay. Yeah, this first simulation, but because created in United States, yeah, it's baseball simulation. Yeah, so this guy, yeah, computer programmer, yeah, he's sick and stay at home, cannot go to the office, but he create games, create something. Yeah, but the simulation is not, again, it's not like simulation game like a championship manager, something like that. Yeah, so basically, it will show. You cannot see it detail, like the name of the players, some achievement of the player or variable of the players. Yeah. So when you run, it will change a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, in 1960. So in 1961, so the brother helped him run the first known baseball computer program in IBM. Okay. Yeah. Until now, people in United States really love baseball because they like the statistic. Yeah. So how many hits, how many RBI, how many strikeout. Do you know about baseball? Yeah, similar like softball, but baseball is more. Yeah, the throw is different. The stick is more bigger. Something. The space of the field also is bigger. So it's many data that people like when they watching baseball. For me, it's very boring, right? But they like it, like strikeout, RBI, how many balls, how many home runs, and okay. So all in text. Oops. Okay. Now grand strategy. So the Raytheon company developed a computer simulation for Cold War. So if you look at the graphic over there, the image, the computer is still that kind of big, although they try to show the map, yeah, in a big. It's not really monitor still. Okay. So they combine with the analog version called grand strategy. Do you know the difference between analog and digital? You live in digital environment already. When you born, maybe your parent took a pictures, took a video, digital video, right? Do you know the difference between analog and digital? What, Rehan? Yeah, so can you answer it? I'm sorry? Yeah, you can talk. Explain just a little bit, yeah. Don't too long.
Okay, so based on what I learned, the analog will transmit the electric signal into the mechanical calculation, while digital using the electrical signal and converting it into the modulation like 0 1 0 1 0 1 like that.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So anything in computers, anything that in your phone is digital. Yeah, the sound is already digital. So what is analog then? So if you, I don't know, your grandparents, I don't think your parents, your grandparents maybe has a cassette tape, video tape, yeah, in cassette, that's analog. So analog basically, if I say uh, the length of this board, yeah, yes, yes, okay,
Yes, you're
yeah.
good.
So, oh man, I finished one microphone. So yeah, in analog, you can point in any part of this, okay, any part. So unlimited point here. In digital, you cannot. In digital, you have limited point in pixels, in bits, something like that. Yeah. So it's like, yeah, clock ya, analog clock ya, just regular clock. Digital clock ya, digital. In analog ya, you can point in any time ya. Digital ya specific in second, millisecond, in minutes. Yeah, so that's different. Yeah, so analog version maybe they use like I don't know, tape or board game. Board game is analog. If you play board game, it's analog actually. Again, MIT student. Yeah, this guy is not student anymore. He's already old. Yeah, but this guy Steve Russell, when he was a student, he created the game Smash War. Okay, it's called the first computer-based video game. Okay, this one is not game, but the programming language. Yeah, basic programming language. So if you know what is basic means, yeah, it's beginner or purpose symbolic instruction code. So using this programming, you can create many applications. Okay. So in the past, some programming only for university or in the company. So it's not share with others. Okay. This one is share. Okay. So people can use that knowledge to create something. So it's more opportunity to create more games then. Again, where? Brown box. Yeah, it looks like very old. Okay, so this is a multi-program video game that could be played on television, but every game is already in that box. Okay, so you don't have cassette or CD or something. So it's already programmed and in that box. Okay, and you can't again. Television is mean old television, yeah, CRT television. Not monitor LCD, LED monitor like right now. Okay. Okay, this the first I think video game home console. Yeah, Magnavox 1968. They create a console named Odyssey. Again, they have 28 games that already installed in the game. Wait. Pong is not there yet. No, not yet. So again, this the other one, Oregon Trail, like that. Again, the game is text-based game, yeah. So it's like this. So they know, you know the supply about the food, the bullets, closing, yeah. And then you do something, like type something, and then computer will generate and will change this text-based. I think in the 80s, yeah, I and my brother still play game text-based. Yeah, looks awesome in that time because computers will give different output every time. Okay, but right now it's very boring, I guess. Just read the text. Okay, so yeah, it's like that. The game created by these three guys. Yeah, this I think the most popular game that people know, digital game. Pong. How many of you know this one? You know, right? So I think we have the console right by. We have the console in the 603 room.
Yeah, it
But
was yours, yeah.
yeah, my and not mine. My father's then. 1979 1976, I guess. 77. I forgot. But it's different like this, yeah. This is original Pong. That's already different company that
Version,
create
yeah.
different version. But yeah, it's not the original, but the game is same. Okay. basically like tennis. Even they put it on the amusement park. Yeah, and the people pay to play this kind of simple game. Okay. We never try to play it because we need the CRT monitor. Okay.
Yeah, we haven't had time to set it up, yeah. We need the CRT monitor, cable and everything. It's all old, I guess, analog and such. We don't have any of those cables in
Television.
FX.
Do we have
Yeah.
television? I don't think I still have it.
No, we
Television.
don't. That's why we don't have all those set up yet.
So basically, it's very simple. Just put it that they plug on the back of television. Yeah, but the antenna, I don't know why the antenna part. So this guy create this basic computer game. So people when bought this book, yeah, they can copy the game. You need to type. There's no CD yet, no diskette yet, or make a different. Yeah, the output can be different output input based on this. So this very popular in the time. Okay. Yeah. Before Doom, how many of you play Doom? Even Doom is old game. So Maze War introduced the first-person shooter. Okay, 1974. Look at that. Still green screen monitor. Okay, so it's not colorful yet. Looks very simple. But this one is 3D. It's like a right the corridor that you can walk and yeah, it's like 3 dimension. Although they draw it as a 2 dimension. Yeah. So this again text-based game called Colossal Cave Adventures. So this history based on mostly American game history. Although some of the game later on it will be very popular in the world. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I know only Pong in that time, and then later on Donkey Kong. Okay. Oh, Atari. Yeah, I play this. I also have it. This Atari. I think this the first console that really have a joystick. Yeah. And my brothers broke that joystick so many times. So yeah,
That's sad, man.
yeah, it's crazy. So again, with Atari, you need to connect to television, CRT monitor. This more is already color scheme, but again, 8-bit games, right? Like that game. Okay. Very simple game. But the cartridge that you need to put it on the middle of the Atari console was over here. So this, put it over there. People cannot copy that in that time. So you need to buy the original, and it's not cheap. Okay, so yeah, it's difficult to have different kind of game because it's not that cheap. So usually, you share with your friend. Okay, this the first time I think you see Japanese guy or Japanese company in the popular game. Okay, so Space Invader created by Tomohiro Nishikado. So they put it actually in the what you call amusement park, yeah, something like that. Yeah. You still can find this kind of game, right? So many different type of games, Space Invaders. Okay, so if you look at the 1982, they got the 3.8 billion US dollar, billion in that year. So right now maybe it's already, I don't know, hundreds billion maybe already. Yeah, if you convert. Yeah, so yeah, it's very profitable this kind of game because they put it on the amusement park. Yeah, this another console, but I think in Indonesia it's not common. I don't know. I never see this in Indonesia, boy. This created by Metal that create Barbie doll. GI Joe.
Yeah,
right?
it's not in Indonesia.
Yeah, it's
Indonesia
on-
stuck with Atari.
Yeah, Indonesia too long with Atari, I guess. And then after that, Nintendo came. Mostly Japanese after that. Yeah, only Atari in the beginning, right? So yeah, this one, Metal create the Intellivision. Yeah, they try to compete with Atari actually. Okay. But the game, yeah, similar like Atari. Okay, this is, I don't know, Indonesia huge. Yeah, but luckily, yeah, I have several, but now it's all gone. I don't know where. It's not good. Yeah, Game Watch, right? Again by Nintendo. Yeah, this I think the first time Nintendo is popular company in the game area. Yeah. So they create a pretty simple game, but they create many kind of game and they put it in one device. Every device, so they have many kind of device with different games. Yeah. And people try to collect them. Okay. So it's very successful in that time. This is just some of it. As your parents maybe they still have it or not. Maybe it's now is expensive, right? It's very rare
Yes,
now.
some
Very rare.
game can cost you like
Yeah.
I don't know, 1,000 USD or something. It's
Mm.
quite expensive.
If original,
Yes.
now is
yes.
many knock off kind of product that not real by Nintendo. Yeah. So I don't know, somebody stole it, I guess. Yeah, and they have different color like blue. Even they have two, what do you call it? Two monitors, different kind of game. Yeah, so this is very popular by Nintendo. Okay, so guys, if you tired, you can sit maybe in the footrest, or maybe you want to move to on the back seat to lean on the walls if you want. Okay, so yeah, just be relaxed lah in this room. Okay, I know if too long, it's not good, but you're still young. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. This one, of course, this I think everybody knows, right? Pac-Man. After that, Mrs. Pac-Man, right? This again, yeah, Japanese people, if they say they saw something good, they try to improve it, make it better. Yeah, this kind of thing. Again, this become very popular in amusement park. Yeah, Pac-Man by Toru Iwatani. Okay, the Miss Pac-Man, yeah, is much better than Pac-Man actually. Top selling, best selling arcade game of all time. Yeah, so I don't know. I never play Miss Pac-Man. Pac-Man, yeah, I play in that time in Ancol, yeah, bowling alley in Ancol. They have a several Pac-Man, I still remember. So because yeah,
How much
I
was then, man?
I don't know. I need to buy a coin. So yeah, you need to uh, get some coin there with some money. That's my parents thing. I still, I think elementary. No. Already junior, middle school, I guess. Yeah. 80. Oh, 80 still high, still elementary. But I think in Indonesia it's not 1980, maybe 1982, 1983. Yeah. So now it looks like a simple game, yeah. In that time, it's like wow, very colorful. Yeah, you get many kind of object that you can get. You need to run from the what do you call it? By the name? They have name. I forgot. Every character of over there they have name.
Yeah, Pac-Man is quite interesting actually because they have different character and different personality as well. So they try to trap you, you know, and it's just one of those early artificial intelligence, I guess, that implemented in the game. It's quite interesting, I suppose. Yeah, Inky, I can't
Yeah,
remember the
something.
name.
Yeah. They have name. Uh, yeah. I forgot.
That's cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in the time we try to memorize, but yeah, we don't have much time, I guess. The game is not much. So, but the how they move, yeah, actually same, yeah. So in the first several first level, yeah, you can memorize the movement. Then you can getting better and better then because you already know the move. So
Yeah. Someone on the chat box has the name correct. Inky, Blinky, Pinky, and Clyde. That's cool.
yeah,
Thank you.
thank you, thank you. Who's that?
Thank you. Ian from CS. So yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
it's not Jude, right?
No, not Jude.
Hey, where's again? I lost the. Okay, this one, Donkey Kong. Okay, again by Nintendo, but I played this game. I still remember when my dad bought not IBM, compatible IBM. So it's not original IBM, but they use the operating system of IBM. PC, yeah, the first time in 1983, I guess. So yeah, I played Donkey Kong on the PC, not in the Nintendo console or amusement park. Although they have an amusement park also, this one. Yeah. So this guy is very famous until now, right? Shigeru Miyamoto, right? So the game actually have one character that become very famous after that, right? Although the name is Donkey Kong in this game. Yeah. They call Jumpman still in the characters, the sprite. Okay. Yeah, that Jumpman is a Mario Bros actually, because that character is very famous. Yeah, they create their own the own game for that character, Mario Bros. So Shigeru Miyamoto basically the designers, yeah, by Gunpei Yokoi is more the programmer, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. He created the Mario with all those sprites and such. So Shigeru Miyamoto actually designed the character and all the sprite. It's cool.
And why they design it Italian American plumber, although they're Japanese people.
I have to check that again. I totally forgot about it.
I think this he said is simple to draw
Uh,
to create
yeah.
as a digital.
Yeah, I suppose because it has mustache, hats, and all the colors are just there for the sprite.
Or it's
I can't
more
remember the
catchy, I
extra.
guess, rather than put the Japanese character in that game. Okay, so again, that in 80s, yeah, Western people still maybe like game that more, yeah, show themselves. Okay, again, this of course very 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 popular. Oops, sorry. Yeah, this oh Tetris. Wait. This game first. This game is not really popular in Asia, I guess. Still, maybe only in United States, but created by EA already. Electronic Arts, you already know, right? EA is very famous now, but in that time they start with kind of game. Yeah, they call this Mule, MULE, multiple use labor element. Okay, this game very interesting because multiplayer mode. Yeah, I think the first game that really show how to multiplayer play in the same game. Okay, although the game is not that good for us, maybe. Okay, oops. Alah. Of course, Tetris from Russia, yeah, created by this Alexei Pajitnov. Okay, although this game is copied by people from other country freely, so they don't get the money, I guess. Yeah. So this the original Tetris, no colors. Nintendo make that more catchy in Game Boy. So 1984, people still play it, right? Even competition, Tetris competition. Yeah, this the first big console, yeah, explosion, I guess, by Nintendo NES. Okay. Yeah, but Indonesia on the left, I guess. This more in for Western. So the game again still 8-bit, but everything in game in amusement park, they put it in the what do you call it?
What, Famicom,
Diskette, not
Nintendo?
diskette. No, the game
Oh, cartridge. They use
Cartridge.
cartridge. Yeah.
Cartridge. They call it cartridge. Yeah, in the picture is no cartridge, yeah, that I can show. Again, it's difficult to copy because in cartridge specific, very specific hardware. Okay. Again, if you look Shigeru Miyamoto, again he create this kind of legendary games, yeah. Zelda, Legend of Zelda. Okay. And until right now, they already have 19 different kind of Zelda. Okay. Anybody play Zelda in Switch? Switch, yeah.
Yeah.
Easy. Okay. Yeah, this is like a computer game. Yeah, this the first one that very famous football. Or again, the Indonesia maybe it's not famous because we don't play American football. But again, this created by EA become big in United States. So then other kind of sport also create this kind of games. Yeah, application for their sport. Yeah, John Madden is very famous coach, football coach in the United States. Game Boy, you have a buy Game Boy as a kid.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm
I
not
played
kid
the Game
anymore. This
Boy.
one,
Different generation one. Sorry.
89. I already graduate high school. I already become a university student. It's not good. It's very old. So yeah, we don't. As a college student, we don't play Game Boy. We play console, Nintendo, right? Yeah, but many people, yeah, Indonesia is very popular this Game Boy. Okay. Until right
Yes.
now, I think
Yes.
my nephew still have it, that Game Boy, and then sometimes still playing. Now the similar product from China is very cheap, very cheap.
Yeah. I think there are a lot in Tokopedia
Yeah,
that
yeah.
do
But
something like that.
in the past is it's like wow, it's like Switch now.
Yeah. Pretty much.
The price also same. No. The price is Switch maybe is more expensive, but still it's not cheap in that type. Okay, Solitaire. So in the past, when we have a very slow internet, sometimes the internet is not good and we cut from the internet. For waiting the internet connect again, yeah, we play this crappy game, right?
Yeah. This is fun.
Solitaire. So in Windows 3, yeah, 1990. Yeah, in the past when you want to connect to internet, you need to use your phone line. Right? You know that? Phone line. So if you use the phone line, yeah, you cannot use your phone then. So you need to choose internet phone. So that usually become a problem. Yeah, the parents want to use the phone, but you want to use the internet. Okay. So again, in the past, the internet is not fast because using phone line. Yeah. Yeah, this game, if you just too bored to waiting something that you download or you try to upload something, yeah, you play this kind of game free in the Windows 3. Start from Windows 3. So how many years? Oh, sorry, 1990 until already 30 years, yeah, 31 years. Solitaire. Okay, yeah, this golden era, 90s. Yeah, like Surbayo, born in the good time, right? In the game explosion, game at home explosion. Before that, everything you need to go to amusement park Or if you buy like Atari console, you need to have an expensive cartridge, right? So
Yeah, or you go to your friend's house.
Yeah.
Normally, we stick that.
in that time we don't have like RAN yet, yeah. RAN is not that common in my time. In PlayStation maybe,
No,
but in the end of 90s, I
yeah,
guess.
yeah, yes, sure.
I don't know why we never think about that. Yeah. Atari, we ran the Atari, never. It's a bit strange.
I don't know because yeah, that's true. Although we do have rent Game Boy in our in front of the school, right? Sorry,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
Game Boy,
yeah, yeah.
Game Boy and Game Watch.
Yeah, Game Boy and Game Watch. So a guy stand in front of our schools. Then when you in the end of the schools, yeah, you can play that. You pay like what, 50 rupiah?
I don't.
50
Yeah,
rupiah.
around that much, 50 or
50
100
rupiah.
rupiah for 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Because in that year the $1 is still like 2,000 rupiah, 1,000 to 2,000 rupiah. So 50 rupiah is still a lot, yeah.
Yeah,
I can play one time or I can buy small martabak in the time. What? You can eat or you can play, basically. 50 rupiah. I still remember that. Yeah, so this very famous. They already have a movie there. Soon the
yes.
sequel already. Yeah, Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay, so this by Sega. Yeah, so it's not Nintendo anymore from Japan. Sega also try to get some money from game industry. Okay. Dune 2. Yeah, again, this game from United States. Yeah. I don't know, never play. I never watched the movie.
It's one of those first real-time strategy. Yeah,
Yeah,
it was fun. Yeah.
yeah. They put it in history because the most popular
Yeah.
real-time strategy game. When you play it, you need to have a strategy to win the game. So it's not only just shooting, not only just like a card game or something. Yeah, you need to think, you need to share, you need time to spend to do something before your goals achieved. Okay. Then this one, the most I think famous in amusement park in Indonesia, guys. Mortal Kombat. Although, yeah, in U.S. Senate, they concerned about the bloodshed in the games, for kids. Okay, so
Yeah, this
that
is the first time that they set a meeting and set up
yeah,
a rating system for the game. It's because of this Mortal Kombat.
in United States they start the rating because of this game.
Yeah.
They just realize how game can be dangerous. 1993. The game is start like 70, but they started to create rating in 1993. In Indonesia, 2000 something. Yeah. We have a rating if you want to know. Indonesia also have a rating. But in 2012, I forgot. So, yeah, if you look at the real original game, yeah, pretty bad. Okay, how they show it, the blood. Then this one, real-time strategy game, Warcraft. Yeah, I played this game, I guess. Okay, so if you look this one, it's not Windows, yeah. So Microsoft DOS. So basically, when you want to run this game, it's like in the console, you need to type the game like Warcraft.exe, execute file. Then it will show up this game. So this game run on top of Microsoft DOS or later on in Mac operating system. So, but Mac in 94, 96, 94, Microsoft DOS first. Yeah. So it's not run on top of Windows, but in the DOS. Okay. So yeah, this become really, really popular. real-time using real-time strategy game. Also, they already have the movie. Yeah, the game introduced innovation in its mission design and gameplay element. Yeah, they have different kind of creature right in the Warcraft. So 95 is start of PlayStation. So people start to rent this console to others, right? So this
Yeah.
first computer entertainment platform, okay, 100 million unit, okay, created by Sony. So after Nintendo, Sega, Sony also see big money in game industry. So they create PlayStation. Okay. Eidos, yeah, now it's popular the Eidos, yeah, but Eidos become popular because of this game, Tomb Raider. How many film already? Okay, Lara Croft. I think this is the first. They said one of the greatest video games ever made, but also I think the first game that the main character is female. Yeah, that become very big, very famous. The 3D thing looks much better than any other games. Yeah, this Deep Blue it not sell publicly, just based for research actually. Yeah. But this Deep Blue in '97 beat the world champion Garry Kasparov on the left, of course. Yeah, 3.5 and 2.5. So it's not 100% won, but still total this Deep Blue by IBM beat Garry Kasparov. Okay. Again, Legend of Zelda, but it's Ocarina of Time. Okay. Developed by Nintendo for Nintendo 64. Okay. I don't know, Nintendo 64, I think it's not that big enough in that time.
It's okay. I think that's
Yeah.
because in Indonesia, PlayStation 1 is
PlayStation
just
too big.
overwhelmed. Yeah. Although this one is good though. Ocarina of Time is great game.
But
Yeah.
Nintendo 64, I never played Nintendo 64.
Yeah, you
But
don't have
apa,
friends
console.
soalnya.
Yeah. So
Played on my
maybe because PlayStation console is the first that big in Indonesia, people already have it. They can share the game, and then other console came. People rethink, right? Do I need to buy it? So I already have PlayStation. So my friend doesn't have it yet. So if I have, yeah, the game I need to buy again the game. Maybe
Yeah,
yeah.
I think at that time in Indonesia, because PlayStation is easily to hacked. You know, we all have all those cracked version of PlayStation CDs, but they don't have cracked version for Nintendo 64. So
Oh, yeah,
most
yeah.
of us are playing from emulator from PC basically. Yeah. So that
Oh
was
yeah, you can play in PC also. Yeah, again, say PlayStation already with CD. CD is easy to
easy to burn.
copy. Okay. Yeah, Indonesian, Asia is not only Indonesian. I think Indonesia.
That's true. Yeah.
But because it's very expensive, the game we think.
Yep.
But it's better, of course. Right now, yeah, buy the original lah. This game, what is game? Oh, EverQuest. I never played this also, Give. But this game is a multiplayer online role-playing game. Yeah, I think the first that very big user that played that game. Again, online, yeah. 1999, I don't know. Indonesia maybe is already good. I don't know. I'm not in Indonesia.
Yes,
1999.
some Indonesian
Chrismon.
people are playing. Yes, some Indonesian people are playing EverQuest, but I specifically know I don't play it, but I know one or two friend of mine playing them and boasting how good it is that you can play with 1,000 people across the nation and things like that. I just don't understand at that time.
I think also, yeah, the bandwidth is not that cheap in Indonesia. So,
Yeah.
but this game won the GameSpot Game of the Years and Technology and Engineering Emmy Award. Okay. Sims, so many Sims now. Do you know this Sims successful? They need like several years. Yeah, they almost bankrupt the company, and then the Sims is a blow up after that. But the first when they show the Sims, not many people wants to play this game. Okay? So yeah, it's not the first simulation. Yeah, because Utopia by Intellivision is the first simulation. Okay, but this one the most popular game with the female players. Okay, but yeah, also many people bought this game. I think the first they create not the Sims but SimCity. Yeah, SimCity if I remember. Because in 90s I play SimCity, but because it's not that big
Yeah.
enough. Yeah,
Yeah,
the company.
Maxis used to have before the Sims they do SimCities, and then I think because SimCities blow up, then they work on the Sims tomorrow specifically for the human. I think they have a lot of Sims
Yeah.
at that time. SimCity, Sim Ant, Sim, a lot of Sims.
Amusement park Sims or something like that. Yeah. So
Yeah.
SimCity is just you build street, you build power generator, you build building. But in Sims, you have a real people, like the real characters there. Yeah. In the SimCity, you don't have characters; they're just numbers that going up or going down in that city. Okay. How many of you play Sims? You play Sims until now? Good. Okay, yeah, 2001 Xbox ya. Microsoft see again the opportunity and create these consoles. The game, yeah, this become big because of the game actually. Hello game, yeah, Combat Evolve. So yeah, in that time I'm taking master in the US. So yeah, I see how big this console in that time. Yeah. So everybody wants to buy it, I guess, because of that game. Yeah, so they're very good to create the hype over there. Yeah. Then after that, yeah, Xbox 360, of course. Okay, Steam. Steam is already started in 2003, right? By Valve. Okay, but of course, it's not that very what do you call it? Very complex like right now, yeah. So yeah, you can buy games online. Okay, you can update the games, you can expand the games, you can do many things with the games. Okay, in the past, in the PC, you need to buy a diskette. So one game maybe not only one diskette, maybe like 10 diskette. So you put one diskette first, one when you want to install, yeah, one diskette. Then second diskette, they tell you to change the diskette. But in the fifth diskette is problem, you need to back to the store to copy again in the specific diskette. CD, yeah, same. Yeah, in the past you need to buy a CD. So in the past, um, they put it the CDs. It's like a very complex box. Yeah. Now you just put it like an simple plastic case, but in that past it's like a box with thick books that tell the story about the games. Yeah, many merchandise sometimes also included. Yeah. But because the internet is getting better, yeah, Steam take advantage. Why not sell, yeah, through online? So any more people can buy this game all around the world. Okay, the distribution, no need then. You don't need to send this game to the every store. You just download from this website. Okay, So that's why it's very successful. Yeah, Nintendo DS. I don't know. You still have it? Why? I don't have it. This one.
Yeah, I still have it. Not
To
that one, the second generation. This is the original one. I
yeah,
got
this
the
one
DS Lite one. That's good.
more, but it's more bulky. Yeah, the second one.
No, the second one is much more light. This one's bulky, but
This one
the second
bulky.
one, yeah. The other one
Yeah,
just fits on the pocket.
yeah. This the first that used two LCD screen in tandem. Yeah, working in
Yeah.
tandem. I think, but also the Game Watch they have this one, this kind of thing, right? Double
Yeah. Yes.
double dual screen, but not as a popular like this Nintendo DS. Yeah, then Xbox 360 then. Okay, so um, online service also you directly from the platform, from the console. Okay, Xbox Live. Okay. So we still have a lot of time. Yes, 1 hour already. We still have like three minutes.
30 minutes more. That's okay, Mon. We can just talk more about game, I guess.
No, it's still a lot. It's still 2006. No, it's
Oh,
2000.
that's okay.
Okay, so
We
yeah,
can go for
Wii.
time.
How many of you have Wii? Your parent, I think, bought it and then play for about a year and then never play again. Right? Have you play Wii? Like, yeah, I bought it for my son. Yeah, like a year lah. Then got bored. We have, yeah, we have, yeah. I think for CS, some in the past, some alumni using
The controller, I
Wii,
think you
yeah,
only
the
have the
control to
controller.
create some research. Okay, so can detect the movement. Yeah, so we have a Wii controller, not the Wii itself. I think we need to bring our Wii because it's not playing it at home by.
I sold it already.
Oh, you saw it. Yeah. Yeah, this we popular, but it's not that big popular. Yeah, it's not that blow up like a Xbox or something, but unique in that time. Yeah, this also famous rock band. Yeah, you can use other hardware to combine with the console. Yeah, yeah, this become popular after that, right? You can use different kind of hardware. So the game company can sell different hardware then, different thing, not only the game itself, not only the software, but also the hardware combined with the software. Yeah, more money then. Okay, again about Warcraft, but this is a word of Warcraft, a massively free multiplayer online. Yeah, yeah, I think this become really big because you play online. Okay, you can compete with your friends or even somebody that you don't know online. Okay. Yeah, 2009, social games become popular. Okay, because in that time, Facebook is not 2004, see, but in the beginning, Facebook you can only post something, you can only share something with your friends, but yeah, they think why not put game to make more interactive with the users. Also, the user can share it with their friends. So yeah, social games in social media, in Friendsters, but Friendster is not that big, yeah. Do you know Friendsters? Really? You know Friendsters? Yeah, I joined Friendster first before Facebook. I don't want to join Facebook. I want only one social media. But Friendster is sucks, basically. So Facebook offer many things. So Facebook will become very famous because of, I think it's social games. Yeah, because when they start, it's very similar like Friendster. Just share something, right? Share sticker, share like polling. But then when they put games and games in Facebook, uh, they can recruit many developers game, yeah, good developers game than Friendsters can recruit. So yeah, this kind of game. Yeah, social game is more casual games. Yeah. Female usually like this kind of games. Yeah, by survey. Okay, so you can share, you can ask your friend to help you. Until now, right? This kind of games still exist. You can help your friends to get something. Yeah, more friends, you get more achievement, right? Then, yeah, mobile game. Then when mobile games start, the social game in the games in social media is not many people wants to play there because they can play on the phone. Then it's much more comfortable, more casual, more easier, right? So Angry Bird is very famous in that year. Okay, I don't know how many people still play Angry Bird. In my phone, I have Angry Bird, but rarely play that game anymore. Right? Do you know? Again, Roxio that create Angry Bird almost bankrupt before they create Angry Bird. Do you know that story? So the story basically, the game basically, if you look, is like catapult game. So if you look, many kind of game like that, catapult. So why Angry Bird become so famous? Because of characters. Yeah. So Roxio in that time, they got yeah, many people submit game to the game developers. So they offer how, yeah, do you want this kind of game? So maybe you can work together. So they got game with this kind of characters, bird characters. Maybe it's not really same like right now, but the characters is good, but the game is not good. So they think based on that character, they can create game more interesting. So they create Angry Birds, and that blow up, almost bankrupt. Yeah, so you never know, right? Roxio tried to different kind of game is not successful, right? What's the other game? Bob or something? I forgot. Um, so they stick with Angry Bird then. They create a movie, they create merchandise, they create different kind of Angry Bird game. Okay, because yeah, the thing that very successful. So it's not easy to create a successful game. Even the company that already have a successful game, it's difficult to create another game that different than the previous game. So that's why they stick um, different than Electronic Arts. Yeah, Electronic Arts they more like distributor. They more like they have many other company that help us to create games. Okay, work together with them to create games. What the game in the middle? I forgot the name.
It's
Yeah, from Russia, right?
Cut the rope.
yeah, cut the rope.
Cut the rope.
I just know the Om
I like
Nom
that
one.
game
That's the
before,
name.
but yeah, I never play again. But yeah, created by I think in Russia again. Okay, and this one is
Diner Dad.
Dynadish. Yeah. Yeah, but the problem with the mobile games, the length people play this kind of game is not that long. Maybe they like it for 1 year. That's why you need, as a developer, you need always to update the game to make people wants to play the game uh, again and again. Yeah. If not, yeah, cut the rope. Yeah, I never play again. Runner Dash, I never play again. Angry Bird, never play again. Although Angry Bird, they have many kind of new thing, right? But because maybe I skipped too many years when I say the new game, maybe it's not me, not for me. Okay. Then this 2010 Minecraft, then bought by Microsoft, and this guy get a lot of money. Okay. Um, the in 2020 inducted to World Video Game Hall of Fame. Okay. Using Java programming language. Okay. Good. Yeah. That's a. Oh yeah, this is a graphic design. Some of it is graphic design. So that's a Jude Martinez. We import from Philippines. It's, but he joined in Binus in 2008 already. It's longer than me, longer than Bayu, longer than most of us, I guess. Even in CS, you're the oldest. No, I'm the oldest, but you're the longest. Okay, so yeah, this guy create first as an indie game, but because I don't know, because maybe I'm too old, yeah, Minecraft. But some students still playing this one. I think yeah, Jude student not create, base his thesis based on this game, Minecraft and Roblox, yeah, become a thesis, topic of thesis. Okay. So yeah, that's sorry. Yeah, the future. So 2010 up is called the future of the games. Many company try to create something different. Maybe it's not blow up yet, but they try it. So it's like combined with the hardware, using like QR code, or if you like what, not Matchbox, yeah, Matchbox. What's the other from Metal? Yeah, you can combine if you buy the car, yeah, you get the QR code, you can play on your apps, yeah, game application. So this one, Skylanders, Spyro's Adventures, first augmented reality. So the game, when you show it these characters, yeah, it will show in the game. Yeah. But I don't know, Indonesia, I never see this game. Skylanders. Okay. This 2013 Gone Home. So game sometimes not only for entertainment purposes. Yeah, this is more mature video game stories. Yeah, this comfort player with tough emotional choices. Okay. Like in Binus here, Binus International. Yeah, Bayu and I also create games, but more serious games. So the game that usually entertainment purpose only. We here our research is more serious game. Like the previously already told the student that on site, they're not in the Zoom yet. So we create in the past a game for therapy, for children with ADHD. When they play that game, the game is just looks like real game. Yeah, you just tell the player to deliver different kind of fruit to specific home. But when they play, we get the data. So how many times the player send the wrong fruit or send the wrong house. Yeah, we collect the data. So that children with the ADHD, they play the game 20 years, 20 years, 20 days, not 20 years, 20 days for 1 month, like 30 minutes every day. We monitor, we get the data. Before they play, we fMRI the what to call it, the brain. After 20 days, we fMRI again the brain. So in ADHD, children with ADHD, working memory in their brain is small. Working memory is like in the computer is like uh, RAM. Yeah. It's like a short memory. So you just put it something there, but if you don't, but it will gone, yeah, in a specific time. Yeah. So ADHD children are usually small. Yeah. When they play our game for 20 days, the working memory is getting bigger. So it's working. So yeah, you can create games to do something more useful other than only entertainment. So now it's become popular for education, for health, for military even, for yeah, take like a sim, driver's license maybe using a simulation. Yeah. Can be for many things. In Binus International, we create game again, serious game. So first, yeah, for therapy for ADHD, kids with ADHD. The other Serbagus create games, serious game to make people wants to read more. How? But yeah, he created that. He put the research paper in the journal. Yeah. So right now, like I said before, we also create VR game for teach children how to brush their teeth. VR, AR. Okay. Um, also, right now, again, Bayu and I, also professor from UI, Universitas Indonesia, we create VR to detect ADHD children. Yeah, when they play the game, we can get the data. Based on data, we can detect this have ADHD tendency or not, something like that, to help physician or doctors to determine this, what the adjustment is already okay or not. Yeah, just to help them. So games can be many things. Yeah, serious games is a big part also in the game that many people maybe not realize. Okay, so this Gone Home is more, they call it like serious games for mature video games. Yeah, they have a ethically complex words. Yeah, maybe make people depression on this. Yeah, 2014 is a free to play type of game. Okay. So this become dominant business model. Okay, so you can play first, then you can buy something if you want to make to take advantage, yeah, to others. So they have a premium content in-game items that you can buy that can help you to improve your leveling, yeah, or you help you in the game. But you can play for free also, right? Many people play this kind of game. 2015 Twitch, yeah. How many of you watch Twitch? No, not yet. It's not really popular in Indonesia.
It's
Twitch, I guess.
popular though. It's popular.
My son watched Twitch. I think in the world, Twitch is the most famous platform to watch game.
Yeah, streaming.
Yeah. YouTube, no. Even in United States, they compare how many people watch Twitch or and people that watch not original, regular television, broadcast television like NBC, ABC, CBS. More people watch Twitch than regular television. Okay. Yeah. So Twitch become big. Game become big competition. People wants to watch. In the first media, they have several channels, right? You can watch game. Yeah, if you know the players, yeah, you like, I think, watch the game. In computer science, we have I think several players that pretty good, I guess. I think one of them even went to SEA Games, yeah, to represent Indonesia. SEA Games in Manila when 2019, 18, forgot. Yeah, to represent Indonesia. And I think in BINUS, not only in BINUS regular, yeah, they have a team, e-sport team, and that I think it's not many campus that have coach in that team. Yeah. If you look at the university league in the YouTube, yeah, some university without coach their team, but BINUS with coach. So yeah, that's why they're pretty good in the university league. Yeah, so 2015 already 1.5 million broadcasters and 100 million viewers per month. Yeah, for Twitch. I think in the back, yeah, I have like a chart about Twitch. So 2016 Pokemon Go. This become big first because from Nintendo, and then Pokemon is already famous. Pokemon looks different. People wants to play using augmented reality, although it's not really useful. But they use GPS. That's the thing, yeah. So you can get in several area. Okay, you can play with your friends. But again, the AR is not that really useful. How many of you play Pokemon Go? how long? 6 months? Still playing? Nah, si Reko still playing or not ya? we have many players in the 2016, right? Our lecturers play Pokemon Go and play with the student also, and
Yeah, we do
rate
raid
something.
in
Yeah,
FX.
yeah. FM, yeah, in FX you can rate something in FX, but we almost never use the augmented reality, right? Because it's become heavier games. So until now, you never really see the famous game that really use augmented reality. Yeah. There are many games that using augmented reality, but never that blow up because of augmented reality, right? Yeah, this one of course lah. Again, our lecturers, how many lecturers have this and play together? So if you have, like maybe later on when you already work from office full time, you can bring your Switch and play together with the lecturers. If you
Yeah,
still wants to play, right?
I still play, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Nintendo Switch. Yeah, 2019, Fortnite Chapter 2. I don't know. My nephew played this game. My son doesn't want to play this game. So I don't know really about this game actually. But this game is very famous. And then they fight with Apple then, right? Because Apple wants more money. And Fortnite doesn't want to give more money, right? 2020. This game is old game actually. It's 2018, but it's getting famous because social media, right? Many influencer play this game among us, and then we do nothing in 2020 mostly at home. So yeah, play this kind of game among us. But I don't know. 2021, I think is not that popular anymore. So it's very short. Okay. Again, this interesting because cross-platform. Okay, so it doesn't matter you play in iOS, Android, or even Windows in PC. You can play with other player with different platform. Okay, so yeah, in the past, yeah, when you want to play like World of Warcraft, yeah, you need to go to online, yeah, Windows based or something, the server or something. But right now, it doesn't matter. The game right now, it doesn't matter iOS, Android. If you multiplayer or something, yeah, it doesn't matter. Already cross-platform. So, before this, yeah, I want to show this first. This the last 3 months in 2020, total hours watched. Yeah, if you look, Twitch is number 1. Live, yeah, live gaming. So you watch people play games. Maybe if you said that 20 years ago, people don't believe it, right? Although in amusement park, when you play, somebody will watch from your back, right? Now they can watch on the monitors, their computers, their devices, how people play. Many tournament, even is already joined in SEA Games, exhibition in Asian Games, Asian exhibition in PON, Pekan Olahraga Nasional in Papua. Different kind of game. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, the graphic design maybe doesn't know yet. Yeah, we have a esport. I think I need to send it to you. I forgot to send it to other program, or maybe you already saw it from the social
in the
media in
group.
Venus. So in the end of this month until October, we have a esport competition, Dota 2 and Valorant.
Valorant, yeah.
Yeah, that's the second time. Yeah, last 2 months before, what's the game? 2 months. Jason, what's the game?
CS:GO,
Before?
sir.
Yeah, CS:GO. Sorry, Counter Strike Go. So yeah, we will have in the plan. We will have 2 more, yeah, in this year, and then we work together with ESPL, yeah, esport player that based on Malaysia. Yeah, but actually, that this esport player league is for amateur players, so it's not for professional. So yeah, it's good for student usually to play this kind of game, and you will compete. I think last time it's already overseas joined. So although we won actually in this year's only for Binus and only for Indonesian, but people from overseas already joined the game. So next year maybe we will, if we got the sponsor, we will open for foreign players.
One. Yeah.
Yeah,
that's great.
more big international esport lah. So yeah, you can join. You can join as a committee. You can join as a players. You can, if you like to comment, maybe you also can join as a commentators, because we need the commentators. So if you like to comment this type of game, you can join us. Yeah, if you look, 65% watch through Twitch. Yeah. I don't know Facebook can do that, to be honest. I know Facebook can, but yeah, I never open Facebook Live, I guess. How many of you have Facebook? Yeah, that's tell how different generation us. So I think Facebook is not popular in the, I think Indonesia especially. Although Facebook is still #1 social media in the world, but in Indonesia is stagnant. Is the users is not up from 2019 to 2020 or 2020 to 2021. Yeah, because the others is more popular, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, so not many people open Facebook anymore. Sorry, previously it's this one. What time? Oh, it's almost done. Yeah, so yeah, in the future, games as a service, so you can play game on the cloud. Already then, you don't need to install it, but you just play it, right? Yeah, like chess, it's already like that, right? So mostly it's already there, but it's getting big and big. So maybe in the future you don't really need console then, because everything, and the problem maybe the bandwidth, the internet connection. Okay, cross screen entertainment. So the screen maybe is not only on your devices, maybe you can in monitor and your other devices. So maybe in the past we create not cross screen, we create cross, what do you call it, we combine board game with digital game. That's bagus created. So in using digital, you can throw your dice, collect points, but you play on the board game. You move your character on the board game, but the other thing, everything on the application, and the application connect between players. That's still prototype. I think we still need to continue, boy. That's interesting. That's bagus create that with the student. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, he
Okay.
already create the research paper. Yeah, if you're interesting, maybe become your thesis is also possible later on. So combine board game with digital. So cross screen, is more digital with digital. Yeah, maybe this you control the, if you play like a car racing game or something, maybe the control is in this gadget, but you look at the monitor, the environment, different environment. Yeah, the car itself. AR bring people out and together. Not so much Pokemon. Not because AR, because the game itself. But AR, we do it AR to teach children to brush their teeth, or using QR code, they can see the full teeth, or they can choose different kind of teeth with the audio that explain. Okay. So when the doctor from Erlangga doing the community development to the rural area, they don't need to bring, she doesn't need to bring, what do you call it? They call it by
What?
big,
Sorry.
the For community development, the doctor from Erlangga, Bu Mega, she doesn't need to bring the big bulky,
Oh yeah, what do you call that?
yeah, specific call. So
Yeah,
they,
the actual presentation thing, you
Yeah.
know, all those 3D models
like
basically.
skeleton or something. So she just bring the QR code and the phone, and the other phone can just download the application, and using that application, when they put it on top of the QR, it will show the teeth. Yeah, and they can get many information from that. Mobile 5G. Yeah, 5G is already here now. So many game is more bigger, more complex, more players, hyper realistic. Yeah, game engine. Yeah, it's more like real now. Like in the movie lah. The movie, right now you cannot really detect is real or not. Yeah, the game will be like that. Creation in involvement. I don't know this one. Yeah, I know involvement from any other type of people, I guess. Yeah, creator and live streaming tool. Yeah, so yeah, because now many people like to watch. So it's more tools for the creators to do something when they live. Okay. Again, more video channels about games, more communities about games. Consumers entertain consumers. Yeah, you play game and people will watch you. So Twitch is just a platform. Twitch actually doesn't offer anything. They just offer a platform. The users that fill the platform, like the social media lah. If nobody register for social media is not working. So that's why some social media is working, some social media is not working. In the past, Foursquare, pretty famous. Now, Friendster gone, right? So how how their platform can integrate with the users, how users can get something from that platform, that's important. Yeah. Facebook is not popular, but Facebook bought Instagram then. Instagram popular. So they need to do that. TikTok popular, so Instagram have Reels now. I don't think it's popular. Snapchat is not popular anymore right now. Right? Do you know, I think, Bayu, I think I already talked to you. Before pandemic, we almost have a workshop with Snapchat, right? So
Yeah.
Snapchat based in Malaysia offer us to have a workshop here to create content creator, right?
Yeah, the filter, the AR filter.
To create a filter like
now.
So the filter is not Instagram started, Snapchat started, but Instagram make it famous. Yeah, so
because the platform is easy using the Spark AR.
Snapchat wants to work with us, and yeah, as the student to create more filter for them. But because of pandemic, we cannot do it.
Yeah, we cancel it.
We cancel it. So many things I think in the past, but yeah, okay lah. We will do it later on maybe. Okay, question? Oh yeah, 1 more minute. So bye. What will you do tomorrow?
I'll do more about the structure of games, the game development process, I guess, and I guess we just talk about how we create games, and we start from there. What the design, things like that, level design, basically, and what we did basically, during our research, I guess. Hopefully,
Do you
let's see
teach
tomorrow.
the mathematic formula?
Of course not lah.
You need mathematic loh, right? If you develop board game, you have a card. You should know for 2 people how many card is
needed.
Reasonable, right? It's not much. It's not too low. For players, how many? You use mathematic formula to do that.
Yeah.
So you need mathematics to create games. Not that just create something without basic. Yeah. Because if you create something board game with too many cards, yeah, become expensive when you in the production.
Yeah, you need to balance it basically.
Yeah, you need to balance. So if you create different characters, should be balanced. If not, one character always lost, one character always won. So it's not fun anymore to play. So that thing that make very difficult sometimes. Yeah. So that's why in the past, yeah, we need to do it soon. So in the past we have many connections. Surbayu have many connection with the game developers. So they bring their prototype to Binus. The student will play with them, and then after they play, they fill in the form to tell them what's the problem or the balance, or when I play this, maybe it's difficult. Maybe the card is not really balanced or something. You can tell anything with the developers, and you get social hours point. You play game, but you get social hours. But we cannot do anymore because of this kind of thing.
Hopefully, we can restart that again in our prototype days. It was fun.
Yeah, in that time before we also have like board. We play board game together, so we can share. You can bring your board game. We can show our board game also. Sometimes board game from developers Indonesia that they want us to play. We play together, right? Lecturers and student.
Yes, as long as it's not werewolf. Every time we play werewolf, I get kicked on the first night.
Do you know game werewolf? How many players? Yeah, maximum. Like
I don't know.
whole student, right? I think it batch 2021, batch 2020, they play werewolf in this room. So it's fun to play board game with your friends, right?
Not with the lecturers.
Yeah, maybe not. No, the student looks like to try to beat us.
Yeah.
It's good if only one, right? They try to create a group and try to beat us. That's a problem. So okay lah, no problem. See, yeah, but in the past we can play together. We can invite game developers. We have a big event, right? In that time, and the son of our president came, Gibran, because he also have with Kaisang also have game company, board game company. Yeah, so it's fun. Okay, yeah, game is fun. So that's why we do some research that we like game. Okay, thank you, guys. Yeah, so 11 o'clock is Jude's time. Where's Jude? Jude in this Zoom or not? Jude. So yeah, back to Jesse. Not from NSYNC, yeah. Jesse is from Backstreet Boys.
Oh my
They
God.
don't know Backstreet Boys, I guess. This Gen Z doesn't know Backstreet Boys. Okay, Jesse.
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
You want to close it?
Boleh.
Okay.
Okay. So that wraps up the entire session. Thank you, Sir Bahana and Sir Bayu, for the wonderful presentation on games history. My face very big.
Your face so big, man.
Okay. Before we end the session, Bentley, do you want to help us take the documentation for today?
Okay.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Hey guys, on game guys.
Go Bentley, go.
Okay, page 1. 1, 2, 3. Page 2. 1, 2, 3. Page 3 nggak on game. Page 4 nggak on game. Okay, thank you guys.
Okay, thank you so much, Bentley, for the
Thank you all.
documentation.
Okay, so yeah, thank you.
So for CS students, we have another meeting at 11. It's in another Zoom meeting, so you might want to look at your Binus Maya. For GDNM students, I don't know.
I think they can go home, bye. It's no more.
I have no idea.
I make mistake, I guess, to have more.
I don't think so. I think GDNM student doesn't
Yeah,
have any
GDM?
more classes.
Do you have any other thing after this? Nah,
It doesn't
I
look
make
like
mistake.
it.
I
Alright,
think
let's go.
From the WhatsApp group.
Irma tricked me. Not good. We have too many then. Okay, guys. So if you don't have anything to do, yeah, you need to walk out from Venus area. Yeah, okay. So yeah,
I'll
the
see you
thing.
tomorrow, I guess.
Yeah. See you tomorrow, guys. Yeah, the thing is, try to blend lah with other program. So even the lecturers in Venus International, we work together, we research together, so we play games together. So we want our student like that also. Okay. Thank you, guys.